No, but just play with that chords bit.
Yeah.
Whichever bit you want to play, man.
A beat breakdown or what is it?
Beat breakdown, innit? Tutorial, lesson.
Alright, cool.
Alright, go. Let's look at the screen though, fam.
I know, fam. I don't even know what I'm going to say. I went to sweat and shit. Oh my days. Okay. Introduce myself.
Yeah.
Beat's gonna show you how to break. I'm gonna show you the breakdown of the beat.
Yeah.
That what I'm gonna say, yeah?
Yeah, that's what you're gonna say.
Right, you ain't recording right now, right?
No, you're good, man.
Alright, cool. Alright, ready. What's up? My name's Self Talk Beats. I'm gonna show you how to break down this beat that I'm working on at the moment. Hey, I'm Self Talk Beats. I'm gonna show you how to make this beat.
Go.
Hey, my name's Self Talk Beats. I'm gonna show you how to break down this. Break down this beat. What am I saying? Why is it so hard, bro?
That's what you were saying, bro. Is
that what I'm saying? Alright, cool. Hey, my name's Self Talk Beats. I'm gonna show you how to break down this beat right now. Starting with this kick drum, and then got the snare to go with it. Got the hi-hats. It's one layer of hi-hats, and I got another one.
So you just layered up the hi-hats?
Yeah, 2 different hi-hats, doing different patterns. And I got the cymbal there. Then we go into the melody. So we got the steel pans. There we go.
Kind of beat we say this is? Kind of beat is this?
Kind of beat.
What genre? Sounds kind of dancehall.
Yeah, it's definitely got a dancehall vibe. It's kind of like a hybrid.
Okay.
Like a hybrid of. Definitely dancehall and what's going on over here in the UK.
Like Afro beat kind of stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the steel pans. We've got some horns down here that I'm going to put in now. And we've got a bass line. Add some atmospheric effects. Just to give it a bit of depth. And there you go, that's all the elements.
So how many stems did you use? How many like different audio stems, instruments say?
Let's have a look. 13. Some of them got the same instrument on 2 different stems.
What tempo is it?
Tempo, what we got? 100.
100.
100 BPM.
So when you're making the beat here, this beat here,
Yeah.
what made you decide to use like that specific drum kit and that sort of drum kit on that sort of beat for this dancehall sort of track?
I don't know, it's more a feeling than anything else, to be fair.
So you just go with like, you just go through your sounds and it's
So
whatever feels right, you just go with it.
Yeah, so I'll go through all my kicks. No, usually I start with the snare. Right, but sometimes I switch it around. But usually what I do, I find the snare that I like, and then I find the kick that likes this, that complements the snare, and the hi-hats and whatnot. And then I just find the instrument that I like the sound of, come up with a melody, and then start building around that. Come with the horns, bass, and that's it.
Sounds dope.
Thing is, don't want to like overproduce it. So you don't want to do too much sometimes. Keep it simpler, and then you can do different sections, take some stuff out here and there, and that's what gives it its dynamic. At the moment, it's just looping. Into it, you can start arranging it, start copying parts over, and then dropping parts out and bringing them back in, and that's what makes it interesting. That's what kind of takes you on a journey through the music, basically. Yeah, let's see what we've got. Still trying to come out now. You can come in with a chorus, maybe another instrument comes in.
So this is like a bridge part.
Yeah, good, yeah. To change up the pace, keep it interesting. Take you somewhere else and then bring you back to where you started. Something like that. Tweak it up, you put the dropouts where you want to put them. Finish the arrangement. It's all down to you. You know what I'm saying? There's no rules to it really. You can just do what you want to do. Whatever you think sounds good, just go with it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so you don't follow like the basic arrangement, like verse, chorus,
Yeah,
verse.
I mean that's in there. That's always like that's always in there. But in regards to how you want to achieve that, in regards to the arrangement, like what comes in where, what comes out where, and stuff like that. That's all down to you. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's another stage. That's another stage to the production, to be fair. So the first stage I would say is just building within your loop. So you can see I have my loop just set to, is that 4-bar loop? Yeah, so everything I record, everything I played in was just within that loop. Once I was happy with that, start copying it over. At that point, you start doing the arrangement and whatnot. And when you're doing that, you're thinking about the artist, the kind of artist that you want to get onto the track. And you're thinking about where the instruments will come in to complement different sections, like the verse, chorus, intros, outros, bridge, middle way, etc.
So after you've made the beat and stuff, and you've arranged it, and you've got all the sounds, you're 90% in to the job. What do you do after that? Do you send it off to a masterers, or do you just like do like a basic bounce, basically just a quick little master, just so you can hand it to the artist or the individual once?
Yeah, no, we got on Logic. Well, on most platforms, you got little plugins that you can use to like bump up your track, like maximize it, make it sound like, bring up the levels, compress it a bit so everything's sounding nice and tight. The one that I use is, I've got two on here. The one I usually use is a Waves one.
Are you able to see that on the
L1 Ultra Maximizer? Ultra Maximizer.
You able to see that on the screen?
L1 Plus, yeah.
What will you guys see that clearly?
and you select the setting that you want. And you literally can just listen to it and just select the setting. See how it affects it. If you like it, run with it. Or you can tweak it. You got your threshold here. Some other controls. The one I usually go for. That's what it sounds like without it. I don't know if you can hear the difference.
Okay.
I'll put it back in. Hear the difference. Be careful it don't clip.
Play the difference one more time. Play it without it.
Play it right, yeah?
Play it without it again. Without. Move it on. But before you do that, you must have to you get like a basic balance before you do that, don't you?
Yeah. So really, like me anyway, I mean, it's good practice to, like, while you're actually making the track, it's good practice to actually give it a bit, like, mix it down while you're making it, so to speak. And when I say mixing down, I'm just talking about getting the levels correct. Choosing the right instruments is really important as well. Everything could be making the right movements, could be played in the right pattern, but if you've got the wrong kick or the wrong snare, it could throw the whole tune off. So you've got to be kind of specific about what you're trying to achieve and how you want it to sound, and not expect to achieve that sound in the mix down all the time. Sometimes you've got to be doing it while you're producing, and then that makes the mix down stage of it a lot easier.
Yeah.
It's sounding the way you want it already. So all you need to do now is just, EQs, levels, add a couple of effects and whatnot. That's not too much work.
Panning and stuff.
Yeah, panning. Say that again? Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Come follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, Self Taught Beats. Alright, nice one.